In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the services that you offer to your profile. So when people view your profile, they can see exactly what it is that you do. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage. You can access your profile by either clicking on me at the top here and click on view profile, or you click on the photo or your name. That will take you to your profile. Now what I'm talking about is this section here that says providing services. There's going to be two ways that you can do that. The first one is click on add profile section, and it will either be here under core or it will be here under recommended. If you don't see it there will be some banners over here instructing you to add providing services. Once you've added it, you can edit it by clicking on the pencil, and that will take you to your services page. And here you can see you can add services by doing a search on LinkedIn. Just type in what you want to add. As soon as it appears, you click on it and you add it. Add about yourself, complete all this information over here, everything that you see here, and then you click on save. This is then what your services page looks like. Once it's active, you can edit it by clicking on edit page. If you click on more, you can post this services page to your profile, just advertising to people on LinkedIn and your connections, the services that you offer, and you can see all the information that is here. Now, when people view this, they can click and send you a message indicating that they're looking for one of the services that you offer. So this could be potentially lead to lead generation on your profile. I trust you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this channel on other functionality on LinkedIn.